This is a different kind of trip. It might be a bit different than what you're used to seeing here on the channel. But this one's for me. It's been such a busy season. Getting through the holidays, raising these two young kids, trying to build back up my small business, and getting this truck ready to hit the trails again. This was supposed to be the first camping trip that we did as a family in the year 2023. But between the chaos of life and the major storm system that was rolling in, we decided to call an audible. So we headed up into the mountains to stay in a cabin for a weekend with just the four of us. We arrived in the Big Bear area just after 6 p.m. Made a quick stop at the grocery store to get some supplies, and we made our way up to the cabin. What you doing?
Oh, I was gonna dig.
You're gonna dig?
But I don't.
Is it kind of stuck? Well, we're here. Came, checked out the place. Looking forward to a nice cozy weekend up in Big Bear. Right now we're gonna go to my favorite place to eat in Big Bear called Saucy Mama's. Really good pizza place. So we're gonna head out. We headed down to the village to grab some dinner. The place was packed. Saucy Mama's was no longer taking names for the evening. We also tried several other restaurants, but we couldn't get a table anywhere. Finally, we at least found one restaurant that would at least let us order some takeout. Hey, what you got? Pizza, is it pretty good?
These are tiny pizza.
Tiny pizza? Tiny kid pizza? You got some too, huh, bud?
You got bigger pizza.
So we didn't get to go to Saucy Mama's because they weren't taking any more names for the rest of the night. So we ended up at a place called, I think, 572 Social, and we just brought it back to our little place because it was absolute chaos out there. And so we're gonna enjoy a nice dinner. Got a barbecue burger. Jamie's got a Cali burger. We got some hot wings. It's gonna be a good night. After a great dinner, we put the kids to bed, poured ourselves a glass of bourbon, and made our way over to the hot tub, where we enjoyed a nice evening underneath some falling snow. Well, good morning. It was a really cozy night up here last night. We went to bed pretty late, my wife and I. Snow was coming down till at least like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, whenever it was that we went to sleep. Put the kids down around 9 and poured ourselves some whiskey, jumped in the hot tub, turned on a movie. I mean, it was just so relaxing. You know, it's interesting. This weekend was supposed to be a camping trip that I'd been working really, really hard to get ready for, and I was so excited about. I don't think I knew how bad I needed just that rest, that mental break. And so it's been a great weekend so far. Kids are getting ready right now to play in the snow. And I think I'm gonna shovel the stairs just so nobody slips and falls out here. And then I think we're gonna try to find a spot either in the backyard or close by for us to bust out some sleds and let the kids play. Whoop! You're okay. You're okay.
I'm so cold. No.
Well, I just wanted to clear out the stairs so that the little ones could get down without falling or being too slippery. Brooklyn still fell. Are you building a snowman? Oh! Brooklyn got me. Looks like a good one. We had a great afternoon making memories as a family. That afternoon, the kids went down for a nap, and I decided to make a walk-around video of the truck, giving you guys some updates, because I know many of you have been asking for it. As evening came, we decided to give dinner in town another try, so we headed back down to the village, and what do you know, we got a table at Saucy Mama's. Had some cold beers, anti-pasta salad, some garlic fries, and of course, a great pizza. The next morning, we woke up to bluebird skies and even more fresh powder from all the heavy snowfall the night before. The truck was covered, so I did the best I could to clear off the TACOMA before we headed off in search of a nice breakfast. My wife and I had a great breakfast at the Country Kitchen off of Big Bear Boulevard. And the kids got mac and cheese. What a great weekend with the family. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you out there. We'll catch you in the next one.